Hey, what's up guys, it's TechnoFreak and I'm back with another video right after my exams and I'm so happy to be back. But whatever, I did actually make another video. I'm gonna be linking that down below because I want views. But yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna be making this video to actually tell you guys about something that I want you guys to actually know about, and it is why companies actually remove the headphone jack. And I think it's pretty important to actually get this message out to the audience. So if you like this type of content, which is basically tech and tech news, tech reviews, etc., so please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be making a whole lot of videos this month. So if you guys actually end up liking this, then hit that thumbs up button and let's get started. So I want you guys to go back 2 years and think of the tech we had then to the tech we have right now. And I think you guys are going to notice a whole lot of things, and actually do list them down below if I miss something, which I'm going to tell you right now. So basically, I don't think anybody would have thought that we're going to have screens which don't have any bezels left. Like, yes, there were S8s I think up then, but I don't think I would have imagined like completely bezel-less phones because of some lack of technology and resources that we had out then. And I'm pretty sure more and more companies are going to be progressing our tech world even faster than what we think that it is going to actually happen. Like, I don't think I would have imagined screens having no bezels. I don't think I would have actually imagined like in-display fingerprint scanning technology. What I'm trying to tell you guys here is that we are progressing way faster than we would have imagined. I'm just serious. Just think of it and you'll get to know what I'm talking about. We are putting more massive batteries into a smaller chassis. We're putting so many more hardware features, better hardware features, and it is going to cost us space, right, inside the phones. The chassis are getting slimmer and slimmer, maybe longer and a little wider, but not in thickness, right? And basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is that yes, when Apple said that there is lack of space, that is why they were removing it. It's not completely true, but it is partially. Right now, we don't have that many hardware features that we cannot fit the headphone jack in a device. But I think we are going to in just a little while. I'm pretty sure, I believe in the tech world, they're gonna get like so many devices with such great hardware, and I do believe that after a while all devices are going to come without headphone jacks. And I'll tell you something, I'm gonna tell you why. I think at that time everybody thought that Apple was like very stupid by removing the headphone jack and just giving a dongle, which actually costed like $6 to $7 or something, as much as I remember, to actually increase their profits. And yes, that is their old habit of increasing their profits. But see, what I'm trying to tell you guys out here is that we need to get rid of certain parts of the phone. And I think if there are companies making products day by day, making cheaper alternatives to, for example, the AirPods or other wireless earphones out there or headphones out there, there are going to be companies making way cheaper alternatives, if you know what I mean. And I think after a time we're going to have completely wireless devices, like no ports at all. Before they do, actually, they're going to make sure that there are cheaper alternatives, and then people would accept their devices and accept the technology, the wireless technology. So basically what I'm trying to say is that we are progressing, and we're progressing very fast, and I think we have to let go of a few features and few parts, and this time it is the headphone jack. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Please, very close to 100 subscribers. And well, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. If you actually like this type of content, please tune in by clicking that bell icon, because I'm going to be getting some great content this month, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.